Hello, my beautiful ones. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And in this particular section and class, we are going to be learning how you can use Gamma.app to make a very good presentation. And at the end of this class, I'm going to tell you how that you can make some money. Selling the presentation, the slide presentation that you generated here. Okay, so you want to stick to the class and then watch the video very well. So what you want to do in this particular place, this website happens to be a website where you can build, where you can actually make, as you can see on the screen, they say effortless AI design for presentation, websites, and more. So for today, we are going to be focusing on making a presentation with it. That is a slide presentation. Maybe you want a quick presentation to make on a given topic and you are running out of time and the rest of that. What you just have to do is to come to Gamma.app. It is free, of course. So what you want to do is to start for free, and then you go into your presentation. So what you want to do is presentation. I want to click on presentation now, and then the next thing is going to ask me is to get started and to sign up. Okay, so and then I'm going to I think I already have an account with this particular account, but let me just try to know what's going to say. I'm going to log in with my Google account. Okay, I'm going to log in with my Google account in this place and then be able to generate my slide presentation in a matter of maybe a minute or two, and everything with pictures and the rest of them in just a jiffy. So I'm going to use this account, and then I'm going to use this account and allow it to sign in. Okay, so it's taking its time, it's signing in. So remember, I said at the end of this class I'm going to be showing you how you can make money and how I myself made some money doing this, using this particular method to make some presentation. So when this is open, you're going to see quite some projects I've done in the past, and then you'll be able to understand what I'm talking on. Okay, so I've actually done quite a lot of project here. So all these things are the projects I've done. Okay, so all these things are projects I've done. So we have something like this. Okay, so well, let's go and create our new. So what you want to do is to click on create new AI project. So at this place, it's asking you a very serious question. Do you want to generate? To generate by yourself? Sorry, do you want to the AI to generate when you give it a topic? Do you already have a topic? Maybe you have gotten a topic from your client, and then all the things he's supposed to say, and then if you have gotten one, you paste it here. Then the next one is file. If you don't want to paste it, you can just upload the file. So this other one is generate from template. So fill in and customize a structured template. So this one is if you want to build from scratch. Okay, however, for the sake of this class now, I want to use this. However, if you want to know how the other options work, you can just comment on the comment section and say please full video of Gamma AI. That is going to make me to make a full video of Gamma AI. So in this case now, I want to click on generate. Okay, and what I just want to do is to write one line prompt, and then in a few seconds everything is going to be ready for me. So it's still asking me some questions here which are very important. Make sure that this is selected presentation. Remember, this particular website can actually build a web page for us and some other things. So this is where it's telling us presentation. Here is telling us how many cards do you want, how many slides do you want. So you can reduce it to a number of slides. However, 10 slide is what you can get in their flip plan. So if it is up to 15 cards or even more than 10 cards, you have to pay. So 10 cards is cool. However, I might want to reduce mine to 6 for the benefit of this class. I don't want it to be very, very long. Okay, so which language do you want? Of course, we want to keep it in English, except if you want another language. So describe what you like to make. So in this place now, you just want to write something. Okay, let me just say make more money. Let me just write make more money 2026. Okay, so this is for tutorial purpose. I'm just doing or maybe let me just say okay, automobile industry. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Automobile industry proposal. I'm just making up something, and so what they want to do now is to click on generate outline. So the AI is going to generate the outline based on the number of cards you gave it initially. So I gave it a 6. So the first card is generated is driving the future automobile industry 2026. So these are the cards it's generating. Remember we said it's fun now. So it's asking us some question here. So what kind of text do you actually want them to generate? What kind of text? Do you want it to be concise, that is brief paragraph, striking a balance between visual and word? Do you want it to be minimal text with short? So do you want a lot of text, or do you want a concise text, or do you want detail? Do you want it to be detailed? Do you want it to be extensive? That is to say, a lot more expository. So for now, let's just leave it at this. And then it's asking us the kind of visual you want. So basically, what this is showing is the kind of background that you just want. So it doesn't affect the picture, it does not affect anything and the rest of that. So what I want to go now is I want to leave it at this default. And then it's asking us image and style. What kind of image do you want? What kind of style do we want? Do you want illustration? Do you want actual human photos? Do you want abstract? Do you want 3D? Do you want so which one do you want? So I want to go for this now. So and then add extra keyword. Are there keywords you want to add that you would want it to focus on? Okay, so let's talk about, maybe I should add environment. Okay, and maybe I also should write financial. So I'm just adding random keywords here, and then but this is not a must. You should fill all these things because this is AI, it actually knows what to do. So at this junction now, I can be able to generate, and this is 6 cards. So let me click on generate, and the system will be able to generate our slide for us just in a jiffy. Okay, so it's building everything, is making everything for us. So driving the future automobile industry and the rest. So here is where it's bringing up our images and the rest of that. So after which you just download. So this thing just took us but maybe a few minutes though, but because I'm teaching, that's the reason why the video is taking a little longer time, like 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes now. But if you have to do it yourself, it's just a few minutes. So you can see the beautiful pictures that these have also given to us. You can actually change the pictures if you want. You click on it and then you'll be able to change it. So this is a very beautiful slide, and that AI have been able to generate for us without us getting to do anything but just prompting to it. Okay, so let's allow it to finish doing. Now we have gotten to the place I say that I'm going to show you how you can make some money doing this. So one of the things I did and make some money with this is okay, so it's asking me like what you created. Do we like what we created, or do you want to create another one? You want to go back to the prompt? So let's just go back. Oh my god, I think I made a mistake somewhere. And okay, so let me allow it to load. And but before then, let's now discuss about how you can make some money with this. Now, one of the things you may want to do is okay, so I made a mistake, and that's removed our project. So let me generate it again. Okay, and then one of the ways in which you can make money doing this is by going to Fiverr and creating an account on Fiverr. Okay, there are a lot of persons who have businesses, who have projects, who because of the nature of their business, they don't have time. They work, maybe in 3 different companies at the same day, and they have to do their presentation, they have to do quite some stuff and some other reason. So those persons like to hire people from Fiverr and some places, because this particular website is trusted to give talented people to those who are outsourcing them. So what you want to do is just to come and create an account, and then you start to make a presentation. So let me just search for a presentation gig here, a presentation slide, and then you're going to find out that a lot of persons are offering these services. So you can see this presentation. I will design PowerPoint investor pitch. Okay, so this is what this person is saying he's going to do, and he's going to do it for $30. This person is going to do for $50. This person is going to do for $90. This person is going to do for $250, and the rest. So now this person is in level 1. That's the reason why the price is small. This person is in level 2. This person is level 2. This person is a top rated fan. So for that reason, he charged more. That is to say, he has done more work and they have delivered more work in Fiverr. So that's basically how this thing works. Okay, so this person is charging 100. This person is charging all these things. And when we click on these now, you find out many of them generated these using an AI power tool. Many of them generated it, and they are selling this particular presentation. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is this is actually possible. You can open a Fiverr account and begin to sell your now. Another thing you may want to do is maybe you making maybe a flyer design and putting it across your social media handles, telling friends and the rest that you now make, that you can make their their presentation for them and deliver it in the space of an hour or 2, and you tell them that you charge maybe like $5 or $7 to $10 to do that, and that's in the space of 1 week. You must have gotten quite some order for friends who want to do that. Okay, and then if there are people who teachers, lecturers, and the rest, you can actually get a given topic, or make a sample and then forward it to those persons. Then you when they look at it, they are definitely going to be amazed. If there are few corrections they want to make, they make the corrections, and then you sell your stuff to them. So once this is being done like this, one of the things you want to do is to you want to present it, or you want to download it. But because I've exhausted my download space, I cannot be able to download. If I click on download now, it's going to tell me to subscribe to this thing. So you can actually click on this place and click on export. When you click on export, then it's asking you, how do you want to export it? Do you want to export it as PowerPoint? You want to export it as Google Slides? So this is very beautiful. or whatsoever, and then you select the one you want to export it as, and then it's exported directly on your computer. So this is basically how you can use your your AI to generate slides in a matter of minutes. I hope that this video actually gave you value, and please, we are going to love if you are going to subscribe to this channel and like the video and comment in the section below saying thank you. And this is going to encourage us to bring more videos like this, and even the one that are better. In subsequent time, we are going to build our studio, and then you get to see your teachers, and you're also going to have possibly a one-on-one section, and then a video where you get to ask some questions related to tech and related to some stuff that are happening around. Thank you so much. We really appreciate. Bye for now.